So attaching custom pullers to our Riri Kobo sliders, or really attaching pullers to anything that's got an open J-hook or what we call open bail, is pretty straightforward. So on Buckleguy, we stock a couple set solid brass pullers. Don't need to attach anything to them. We also stock a variety of O-rings, D-rings, and double bar D-rings. And with those, you can attach, just like we've done here, you can attach your own custom leather or fabric puller to it. So I'm going to take our metal 6 Kobo puller and the double bar D-ring, and it slides right underneath. And take the pliers, and come right over the top. You can press down. There you have it. Compresses right in. So all of these pullers here, we've made them so that they can fit under any size, regardless if it's super small or large. It can fit underneath and rotate nicely. Same with the large ones. Fits right underneath. So those are Kobo pullers and how to attach the custom pullers to them.